Hello kids and welcome back. Today I am back with a new activity. Today we will be doing an activity based on Blue Day. For this we will require a white paper, a black and red marker or a sketch pen, pencil, scissors, scale, Fevicol, a blue watercolor or blue crayon colors. So let's get started with the activity. Okay, now we have to color this white paper in either with watercolor or with crayon in a blue shade. You can use either a light blue color or you can use a dark blue color. We have to color this full white paper into blue. Now see, I have colored my white paper with watercolor of blue. Okay, so now we will do the further steps. We will take a scale, take a pencil and we will draw a horizontal line like this. And then we will draw vertical straight lines in form of strips. After you have drawn lines like this, we have to cut this into strips like this. Make sure you use the scissors with the help of your parents. We have to cut this strip till the marking at we have drawn the horizontal line like this. That's it. You have to cut all the strips simultaneously like this. After cutting, it will look like this. Then we'll take a pencil and we'll take individual strip like this and you will start rolling it on your pencils like this. One by one you will repeat this with each and every strip like this, and make sure you are doing slowly, otherwise the strip will tear. Like this you have to do to all the strips. So like this you can see we have rolled all the strips. Now our strips are ready. Now we will fold this like this and we'll apply Fevicol over here. We'll apply Fevicol on the edges and we'll stick both the corners. See, like this. Okay, now what we will do, the next step is we will make eyes. Now by this time you must all be knowing what are we making. We are making a octopus. So now here with the help of a marker we will make two eyes. You can use sketch pen also. Like this, and with the help of a red sketch pen we will make a smiling face like this, and our octopus is ready. Like this, and then you have to place it this way. So I hope you enjoyed this activity of making an octopus. I want you all to try this at home and share your pics with us. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.